Imagine what a difference it would make if the maintenance and equipment divisions truly work together as a team. You have too much to do, not enough time, and not enough resources. Let's face it, communication is a challenge. Collaboration happens, but not nearly enough, and teamwork suffers as a result. Consider what a difference it would make if teamwork was the focus of each and every person in both divisions. The day would fly by and work would get done. In fact, you would exceed any goal you could possibly set. Time and again, you have told me that advanced communication about training programs would help you be prepared and informed. So I have listened. I'm Helen Horiza. I've had the privilege of meeting many of you through the Leadership Academies and the Division of Equipment Elevations program. I want to tell you about the essential purpose of the program, a little bit about what the class is going to include, and then what I know about the timing. The essential purpose of this program is to improve teamwork, collaboration, communication in both the maintenance and the equipment divisions at every level. Every employee is going to be trained through this program. No one is going to be excluded.
We put down our strongest points, and maybe we can put it on our locker or somewhere that we can see it every day. And so when we come in with an attitude that we want to do our best. And we want to.
Now let me tell you a little bit about the actual content of the class itself. We'll start the morning off with an executive presentation. That will be followed by all of us working together to define what the words safer, smarter, together really mean. And then we're going to talk about how teams have high levels of engagement and low levels of engagement. What makes that change? And what does it feel like to be an employee on a high-functioning team or on a poor team? Next, we're going to talk a little bit about communication under pressure, because you're working in time-pressured circumstances and sometimes dangerous circumstances. So we want your tone of voice, the words you use, the body language that you use to be effective in those situations.
And the thing that sticks out the most was how willing every one of these were willing to just jump in, and they all sincerely seemed like they just wanted to do their part and to be successful.
We're also going to talk a little bit about your temperament and how you're different, how you have strengths and weaknesses, how you communicate, how you make decisions, how you like to work with your time. Are you punctual? Are you casual? All those differences can cause a team to be sometimes at conflict. But if you learn to appreciate each other, you can be super creative and more powerful and innovative as a team. And then finally, we're going to transition to case studies, because you gotta practice. If you spent the whole day learning about communication, collaboration, and teamwork, then you gotta practice. We're gonna integrate some games, some team building, tower building. It's a fun, hands-on class. I really think you're gonna enjoy it.
It's just amazing how we can get all these guys together, and women, that have different personalities. And I heard about the block and marbles, but I didn't believe it. How everybody enjoyed it. And to get, you had rules on that, everybody obeyed the rule, and we all turned into like engineers.
Regarding the timing of the rollout for the Safer, Smarter Together program for all of the employees of the Maintenance and Equipment Division, we see it rolling out in about 2 years, with consideration for weather events and whether or not we don't want to overly impact your district by taking too many people out to train all at the same time. So my request is, please come with an open mind, come ready to participate, and we will give you the investment in your skills and your attitude that you deserve. For the Safer, Smarter Together training team, we look forward to seeing you.